Let me tell you an uncomfortable truth today. बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स हैं जो ये बोलते हैं मार्केट स्लो हो चुकी है, एड कैंपेन्स काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, ब्रांड्स दिखना बंद हो चुके हैं. बट इज दैट ट्रू? आई एम अश्मिता ढींगरा, फाउंडर ऑफ DigiFish3, a digital marketing agency. I myself have been doing digital campaigns from 2011. That means काफ़ी टाइम हो चुका है. Let me break down 5 reasons for you why do you think that your brands are really not performing. So let's just break that down. First, there is no clear objective. हमें लगता है कि हम कुछ भी चलाएंगे तो वो स्पेंड होगा एंड हमारी कन्वर्जन हो जाएगी. But that's not happening. We need to have a very clear objective, which is a clear call to action of telling people कि उन्हें इस ब्रांड से कनेक्ट क्यों होना चाहिए. हमें लगता है एक कैंपेन सब कुछ कर सकती है, अवेयरनेस भी, सेल्स भी, कन्वर्जन्स भी, सब कुछ. बट दैट इज नॉट समथिंग दैट कैन हैपन. सेकेंडली, हमें लगता है वन कॉपी विल आंसर एवरीथिंग. सो बेसिकली एक एड सेट चलाएंगे और सारी चीज़ें सॉल्व हो जाएंगी. वी नीड टू हैव अ क्लियर डिमार्केशन in what is our brand presence campaign, brand promotion campaign, and what is our sales conversion campaign. That needs to be very easy, simple, and clear. Second, copy without insight. Basically, जब हम बोलते हैं कि हमारे पास बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट है, सिर्फ बोलना नहीं, फील करना है. You have to tell your users today of why should they have that product, not about the glorifying points about how they can use the product. Simple. It has to be relatable and the content needs to be affordable. So that is something that we need to keep a check on. Third, wrong targeting. As brands, we forget कि हमारी actual target audience कौन है. Now, for example, if it's a skincare routine, who do you think will follow it? Obviously, I think it is the women fraternity which is going to do a long skincare routine. If we target the same ad campaign to men, we are purely wasting our own money. We're not going to achieve the audience that we're really trying to use. But again, decide what is there for promotion and what is there for sales conversion. Fourth, landing pages. A lot of information. Landing pages need to be very, very clear of what are we showcasing. Fancy imagery or testimonials or have it all will not make sense. Understand that what is the competition really doing, but rather also understand what is your own consumer actually looking out for. ब्रांड टेस्टिमोनियल्स आज के टाइम पे सब यूज़ कर रहे हैं. सो ट्राई एंड हैव लिमिटेड लैंडिंग पेजेस इन विच यू गिविंग इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट यू थिंक एक्चुअली ऑथेंटिकेट्स योर ब्रांड टू योर ऑडियंस rather than just confusing them. Fifth, no tracking, no optimization. Typically, it is not obviously required to have an optimized campaign originally till the end. Basically, budget optimization, campaign matrix, sounds glorified, but we need to understand campaign optimization में करना क्या है. Basically, we need to see whether which ad set is something that is working and what is it that is not performing. A combination of a lot of things that I told earlier. So campaign optimization will help us to reach our right PG at the right point of time. So to sum it up for you, clear objective, right audience, right targeting, right timing, right content. These are the kind of things that we need to take care of. Trusting your brand and making people trust it with authentic information is what we need to do, and that is the biggest marketing trick that I can tell you. So majorly, if you're looking at something which is more relevant and audience-centric, so why not follow DigiFish3 on YouTube and other social media channels and try and understand what really works for your brand, the strategy and the implementation.